Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we have a 2016 Harley Davidson Street Glide. This cruiser has just a little over 5,200 miles on it and is basically still in mint condition. So got a couple of little minor imperfections on it, but nothing major. So let's take our walk around it. We'll show it to you, and then we'll fire it up for you. This denim colored bike, like I said, has been very well taken care of. Our service department has put a new front tire on this bike. It comes with a short tinted windscreen, highway bars with pegs, footboards for the driver, an Arla Ness air intake, aftermarket chrome pipe. So I got a couple of little scuffs on it, like this one here on the lid. Rear mounting hardware. Our service department has installed a new rear tire on this bike as well. And again, footboards for the driver, along with a heel-toe shifter setup. And again, the highway bars with the highway pegs. So, like I said, just a couple of very minor imperfections on this bike. And the other one is we've got some fading on the dashboard here. Almost makes me wonder if they didn't have like a cover sticker or something over it that got peeled off. But it's just really odd. I mean, everything works, but it's just got a little bit of discoloration to it. So, and there is our miles, 5211. This 2016 Street Glide has been through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this American-made cruiser from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course, more accessories for it. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.